action going on. Y'all can see it right here. So when you see an RGB and an RGBW, I'm explaining this to you. All the colors come from RGB. But when you have this white that you see like a pure white, watch. See that white that just flashed there? That's when you have an RGBW kit. It allows you to have a pure white color whenever you need it to be. So RGB, because you've seen the red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. The white is what gives it that pure whiteness to it. So that's an RGBW kit. He's already got that one in there. We're gonna get this one on the few. They look, headlights are popped in the car, grill lights are already flowing, and he's working on the actually inserts of the scoop light. As you can see, he's small enough and light enough to fit in that engine bay, but he has got it going on. I'm gonna show you guys exactly from up here, so I can show y'all a little sneak peek. Let me bring this down a little bit, so I can just show y'all what it's doing. But this is kind of what it does every day, man. Same process, multiple different cars, every single day. So now he has the scoop light on that. He got the grill light on it. He's got the lights and the headlights. This is pretty much coming together and getting situated, because this is kind of what it's looking like. What do y'all think? Comment below and tell us what y'all think, man. This is what we do for y'all. Chris Hager with his beautiful Challenger y'all saw. I'm gonna walk you over here and show you his baby girl. He is right there. As you can see, it's a beautiful car. And now he's got his RGBs on his grills, on his hood, and his DLRs. Chris, you know how to turn them on yet? Let's see if Chris knows how to use his unit. There goes the grill lights. You can see right now, you can see the blue up in there. And in the hood and the grill, obviously it's daytime. And look, guys, he got his DLRs installed too. So now he's gonna be out there doing his thing and showing off his car. Because it is a beautiful car, as y'all can see, man. I do like these cars in black. They look very, very, very modern muscle, man. It's a beautiful car. I like the rims that he's got. Everything on the car is perfect, my opinion, but he is doing his thing. Got a question for you, Chris. How you liking your lights?
I'm loving it.
You can't wait to go nighttime?
Yeah, I can't wait to get some night pictures of this thing and start.
Do you have anything to tell the camera today?
I'm very satisfied with the work the guys did, and man, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. Well, she is done, man. That's for sure. 100% she is done, Chris. They've done a lot of work for me. I mean,
we want to thank you always for serving you. Always, we want to thank you guys for being our customers and serving you, man, and getting this beautiful car out of here, man. I can't wait to see you out there at one of the meets. Papa, you be good, and God bless you, Chris. Go enjoy your day.
Thank you.
It's here today that she actually comes with her father, Dylan, been a customer of mine for many, many years. What do you want to tell YouTube today?
That I'm happy.
That you're happy? Why are you happy?
I get to spend time with my dad.
That's how that make you feel, Dylan. Man, that's a great thing. Man. Look at it. You look like a thug, but he ain't no thug. He's a big old teddy bear, man. Like what you want to tell YouTube today? What is your name?
Rain.
Rain, do you have an Instagram? No. Not yet. Papa said no. Real quick, no. Soon you'll have one. So just take your time and growing up. You'll all have fun enjoying it. What else do you want to tell YouTube?
Check out his car.
Check out his car because his car is really cool and fast.
Well, it's actually down. Y'all gonna catch a video, but man, we want to thank you all for coming to the shop. You be good and God bless you, Dylan. I'm gonna get you out there. You be good and God bless you. Merry Christmas to you too. Man. We got another guy over here, man. His name is Mr. Rentia. He is the maintenance king. He has a beautiful Camino. Y'all saw that video we did the wheels on. He wants to get something done. I'm gonna go help him out. I'll be with y'all in a few minutes, man, but let me get back to work real quick and I'll give y'all an update. I'm my crew, so I want to go ahead and bring something on the vlog so you can understand something. I got a younger man who owns this beautiful Chevrolet Impala here that you see. He's a customer of ours. Josh is talking to, so I'm gonna let him do his thing, but I'm gonna tell him to tell your name for the camera. What's your name?
Man, they call me Lorenzo.
They call you Lorenzo. Lorenzo, you've had this car for how long?
About 3 years now.
3 years. You brought it to us almost the beginning of the year, middle of this year, somewhere in that time. You had a kit installed that gave you an issue. What did we do for you today?
Man, y'all take care of it for me, man.
How we take care? How much we charge you?
Nothing.
Nothing? How is that possible, man? Most shops only give you 30 days before they start charging you, man. How much we charge you?
$0.
$0, and you got to upgrade for free.
Yes, sir.
Josh, what do you think about that? Customer service at the full is what I think, man. Lorenzo, want to tell you thank you for giving us a chance to serve you, man. But you good? The only rules, if you see any smoke, call 911, your car's on fire. All right, man. So I bring that to y'all because that's very important about building a business. It's building customer service and building relationships. Relationships are built on when people trust you. You're in a woman, you have trust. You have your family, you have trust. Those are relationships. With customers, the same thing. You have to earn their trust. He got this done over 6 months ago. Had an issue, he ordered a basic kit. I gave him the upgrade today for free. To me, that's customer service. That's what we do to get you guys taken care of, y'all. So pretty much, I'm gonna continue doing my thing here. Giving you an update on a beautiful Cadillac that we have here. We came to pick it up. They're getting all the finales done. to get the console put in there, to get that Tesla screen installed so we get this delivered to Marcus. It is a very clean car. We'll make sure everything's perfect and clean. We will be getting this together, and I'll show you guys what the screen and the new custom center console gonna look like very shortly for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what's going on, man. But we'll be delivering this to the customer today and getting it delivered. Build the old school 8.2 liter. Y'all don't see that no more. All guys are on deck getting everything installed. We got the console done, getting the camera so we can see here. We have a backup camera installed there. They're getting all the wiring in the back situated there. We have a Tesla screen. We got a custom built box right here for 1.6.5 sundown audio subwoofer. And we also have a front camera installed here, which y'all can see right there. They're doing the process of getting installed. So we should have this out shortly, not too far from now, as they're doing all the lighting and everything in there, man. But pretty much all hands on deck to get this bad boy ready and situated, because the client can pick up this car today and get it out of the shop and get a smile on his face, y'all. So I'll be back. Like I said, now the guy can rip it all apart to get it all situated. I'm gonna give you guys what's going on back here. They got the plates being done, the amp racks being done, all these little things being done and getting everything situated. And Josh over here looks very serious today. Josh, why are you serious?
Gotta get this car out.
He's basically saying, there's no time for playing, we gotta get the car out. So in reality, yeah, we're gonna get the car out for Marcus today. It's been a project and a half, but once it's done, I know it can be well worth it. It's an old school, we put our time into it, and she looked very good. And when it gets done, I'm gonna show you guys the results of this whole thing. It could be a Tesla screen, front camera, rear camera, custom 6.5 subwoofer in the cabin for the guy, 2 amplifiers, everything installed in this old school, so stay attentive. Truco, to give you guys an update on this beautiful Cadillac that we're working on, I'm gonna show you guys where we're at right now with this. Customers should be happy, even though we have some bad news to bear to the client. I'll show you guys in a minute. But this is what the trunk is looking like. They still gotta vacuum it up and clean it up. We got the amplifier there for the bass. We have the amplifier here for the vocals. This was provided by the customer, so we got that one. We added the Nemesis audio, of course. Guys are gonna clean up back here. Now they're working on putting on the screen. Now here goes the bad news, guys. We have a screen that we installed in this car from Phoenix Automotive, and it did not work, right, Josh? No, it doesn't. The radio part of the back turns on, but the radio itself does not turn on. So I had to get him a loaner. I actually wrote to, that's the Phoenix Automotive right there. I wrote to Phoenix Automotive so they could tech support and get this done and get it replaced for me, but that's not the client's problem. So I got him a radio temporary that he can use and borrow until the other one comes in, so at least he can have his vehicle with the cameras and everything working and his audio. But you know, it's the excitement feature of your car, so I'm gonna give him that as a loaner and use that until the Phoenix comes in. Unfortunately, this does happen in the world of electronics sometimes. Things do not always want as you go as you want them to be, but they just happen. So we have to be a positive mindset and know that these things happen and just move forward and get it done. So right now he's powering the loaner radio. I'm gonna put it in there and get him going and situated for Marcus. And you know, it's pretty much what I could do here in customer service, take care of my clients. So I'll show you guys more of the finished result when we get to it. True, so I'm gonna give you guys an update. We got the beautiful Cadillac ready to go. Besides the loaner screen that I had to let them borrow due to the fact that the screen that they sent was not operating right. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Look at the console. That's the screen. You can have a vertical screen to get at that door. But right now we're gonna let them use this one as a temporary till they give me the new one. But this console was custom done. 6.5 woofer, matches the dash exact. Everything here is done. Customer should be here in a minute to pick it up. Let me show you guys the trunk so you guys can see what happened. Beautiful amplifier, everything got cleaned out. Amplifier, this is ready to be signed, sealed, delivered to the customer in a few minutes. I'll come back with the reaction. YouTube, so we back here. I got the owner of this beautiful Cadillac that y'all seen in this video, man. It's actually been a great thing. Went over some details with him of things that we're gonna modify for him. I showed you guys the screen. Unfortunately, that screen came out non-functioning, but they're gonna replace it for him. But I want y'all to meet Marcus. This is Marcus, the owner of this Cadillac. He's probably gonna be having these available, man. This car y'all seen on the video head to toe, but he's probably gonna put it out for rental. So if you get a quinceañera or you got a wedding or an event, graduation, he's probably thinking about doing it. And I told him it's a great idea because there's not many cars you can go out to that's this clean and this beautiful as this one is and get to enjoy yourself. Imagine the summertime drop top, going out with the wifey, whatever. That's something that he'll be good. If he does, and I'll be putting his link on the videos because I'll probably be one of his subscribers. Like, go out there for my wifey, you know, sit in the back and feel VIP is a great thing, man. But you know what I'm saying, long story short, we're at the point of delivery with the young man here. I know this, his baby's been gone for about 3 weeks or something like that, man.
That's over a month.
It's been about, yeah, I know it's been about 3 weeks. We sent it out to get a console done, and you know, sometimes things take time, man. There's a lot of craziness going on, which I understand. It's nuts, and for y'all that don't know, man, it is really nuts. There's the industry right now of electronics is really hurt bad. I went out most of the day today talking to most of my distributors. They are completely out of CarPlay radios, regular Bluetooth radios. There is none of it available, no double din screens anywhere. There's also a shortage right now due to the fact that they told me that one of the plants that produces a chip that all the radios use, all the radio, Alpine, JVC, Kenwood, Pioneer, and Planet Audio all use this chip in the radio, makes things work. That manufacturing plant caught fire. So they're talking about it could be a shortage, so I went and stocked up because, you know, we don't know how long it's gonna last, but we're gonna do what we gotta do. But this is what's going on. We just got done with everything pretty much. I'm putting the lights so y'all can see this, man, but you know what? We're wrapping up today. We got Mr. Tony Snuff in the building, man. Hanging out, hopping out in the AUDIOZONE again, man. We missed them so much, the good people. But I'm gonna show you the last car we got done today. It's gonna be this beautiful, beautiful Dodge Ram. Flow Series Underglow. It really is a nice accent. Got the rock lights on the wheels right now. All doing flow across the board, y'all. Look at this. Look how beautiful that looks. Let me show you a better view of this bad boy flowing and doing his thing, man. So AUDIOZONE is a place if you definitely need it done. We're definitely the shop that's gonna help you get it out, man. We guarantee our pricing, we guarantee our service, we guarantee our warranties against anybody nationwide. You got it, you need it, we got you 100%. Come check us out at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas, man. This is your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as AudioCat, saying peace.